Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to lean the family. Credit.
What is going on, you guys? Crispy Arrival here today, and I got another package. It is the Tropical Rain tub. So yeah, let me get into this. So yeah, you really gotta cut this, cause sorry guys, this is a pain in the ass to get this open. But yeah. Oh, here it is. The Tropical Rain tub. This is hype. Like, this is my first tub ever, guys. This is hype. Alright, so let's open this bad boy. We are going to do a taste test. And one more thing, guys. If I hit 50 subs, I will do a giveaway for a 3-pack. A 3-pack of Gfuel of your choice. Right? So here, I'm opening it up now. Oh, I can smell that. Oh, it smells so good too. Try not to get this all over the place, you know? Try to... There's so much in there. Alright, so let me try to... So yeah, put this in my Tropical Rain shaker cup. Alright, let me scoot this in here. Oh man, all over the place too. Alright, here we go. Shit, here we go, guys. First taste test. Let me just close this in. Let me screw this up in. And let me shake it. Here we go, guys. That looks so good, guys. Let me show you. It is blue. It is sizzling, like you can hear. So yeah, guys, let me taste this. Let me get this taste test on. Oh my god, that is some good shit. Like, I'm not even lying. That is so good. You got to get this. This is so good. It has pineapple, blueberries, kiwi, raspberries. Pretty good. I recommend it. So and I give a huge shout out to my friend who helped me build my YouTube and helped me with the art. Most of the art I did, but he helped me out. It is Jackson B. Arrival. Subscribe to him. The link will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. It is Crispy out. Subscribe, like, favorite. Peace, guys.